Hello everyone, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Taker. In today's video, I'll try to talk about the top 10 reasons why you need to buy the Poco X3 device right now. So right now friends, in the Flipkart, the Poco X3, the price is available for about 14,999. If you have the Axis Bank credit card or the debit card, you can get the phone for about 13,750 or 13,500. So overall friends, 13,500, is it worth of the Poco X3 or not? So in this video, let's see what are the top 10 reasons why I will be recommending a lot of users to buy the Poco X3 device. So recently I did finish the Poco X3 device after using for 175 days. So this is a review after using for phone for a very long time friends. So from the beginning to till now, I did use the phone, the Poco X3 with me. You know how many videos I uploaded on this particular model only on the Poco X3. I think close to 300 videos. So very soon I'll be reaching the 300 mark. So right now it's 297. So I did in-depth testing friends on the Poco X3. So this is a complete review only based on my usage for long time duration. And do let me in the comments below if you agree with me or if you have any other issues so with the Poco X3. But in this video, let's focus only on positive things. So 10 most important things about the Poco X3 which you need to know. So let's begin the test friends. So first is that first point, the Poco X3 has got the liquid cooling system, so which will help you to maintain the temperatures really low when high games. But I did test the liquid cooling system, so it won't work when you're charging the device and playing at same time. So it will definitely work when you're trying to game alone, but when you're charging and playing at same time, the liquid cooling doesn't work the way it was supposed to be. So this is the one thing you need to know. And the next thing is that the phone has got the 240 Hz touch sampling rate, so which is really good and very smooth you will be feeling throughout the scrolling experience in this phone. So 120 Hz is also another biggest plus point for the Poco X3. So for 13,500, 240 Hz and 120 Hz combination is really a good deal you are getting for the Poco X3 device. So but one more thing, the phone comes with the IPS LCD panel, so this can be the advantage for some users and some users may not. So IPS LCD panel, even though phone has got IPS LCD, but still there are so much of software optimizations you can do to enable and increase the colors in this phone. So make sure to check those videos friends. Just type in the YouTube Poco X3 color reviews, so you'll get my videos, lot of things which I uploaded. So color boost thing, so which is called color boost. Try to type Poco X3 color boost Sai Tech Guru, you'll get a lot of videos. So even the display is fantastic friends after using all those settings, so no issues. And next is the phone has got the 64 megapixel Sony lens, so which is incredibly good friends. I did not expect the camera from this Poco X3 to be so much better. So I did see a lot of reviews on the Poco X3 where so many users, they are completely happy with the camera, but they may not be happy with other things like battery and other areas. But regarding the camera, most of the people, they did agree that the camera of this phone is really good, and particularly the Sony lens, which helps a lot in this phone. So all the lenses are wide angle, all the macro lens, everything works fantastic in this phone. So mostly the wide angle and the normal main camera lens are most important. So they do definitely their job friends. Even when you zoom into the image, you can see each and every detail clearly. So it will give very much tough competition with the Samsung's 108 megapixel camera, which is present in the Redmi Note 10 Pro and other smartphones. So this is also a really good camera friends in the Poco X3. So this is another thing you need to know regarding the camera of this Poco X3 device. So next, the phone has got the dual stereo speaker setup. So you might be thinking a lot of other phones do have this dual stereo speaker setup. What is special in this phone? So there is something special, which is a small hole, as you can see. So this is specially designed for the loudspeaker volume to come outside of the phone easily, as you can see on the top. So you will see some kind of small hole left over on the top, as you can see friends. Let me try to keep the same pin. You can see it's going inside. So there's a small hole, so from where the volume also comes on the top side, so by which you will be getting the really good stereo kind of effect when you're watching the movies in this phone. So that's another thing you need to know. So next is that the phone has got the LED notification light on the top. So most of the users they don't care about the notification light because a lot of companies, they are not including, but the Poco X3 has got the small LED notification light on the top. So let me try to connect the charger, and the charger is connected. So on the top, which is really very small to notice, you may not be able to see in this studio lighting, but it does exist, very tiny. So notification light is there in this phone, and you do have the IR blaster. So these are the few phones only will be having the IR blaster. So not the Realme phones, only the Redmi and the MI phones. So there's a IR blaster on the top, so which is also the added best advantage for this phone. So we spoke about all the things, and next is 6000 mAh of battery. So regarding the battery, you might be thinking the 6000 mAh of battery is so huge, it should be good. But with the software updates, the battery got really affected. That is the first thing which got really affected in this phone, the battery. So maybe in the future of the updates, it might get fixed, but I cannot guarantee you on that. So if the update got fixed the battery issues, then this phone will be having a very good advantage. So these are the few 10 reasons why what are the things you need to know about the Poco X3 device. And there's few more friends. Even the phone has got 33-watt fast charging, and next is a Poco X3 has got clean interface, so there is no ads at all in this phone, so completely ad free. So that's another, you'll be getting a really good smooth experience in this Poco X3 device. So next is finally the price. 13,500, you are getting really good phone in this phone. All the things about this phone are really great, apart from there are some other drawbacks, so which I'll be trying to make another video. What are the major drawbacks and what are the things you need to know before buying? So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for those videos, friends. But overall, these are the few things you need to know, and in case if you're planning to buy the phone, make sure to buy this phone, friends. It's really worth, and a lot of users in my channel, they do have the Poco X3 with them, and they do comment me in a lot of videos as well. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye. Stay tuned for more videos, friends. I'll try to do so much of in-depth comparisons as well. So see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.